Yes, hello guys, hello. Welcome back to this amazing channel. Yes, I go by the name Musimo Joel. It's a wonderful day again, and guys, as you can see the weather, it's very cold. It's very cold here in East Africa, Kenya, Migori County, Nyabohansi, and as let's check about the degrees of this place here for now. Oh, they've not bring the notification. So guys, yeah, it's another wonderful day, and I'm just going around my farm. I want to check how things are moving, because it's almost harvesting season. It's harvesting season, guys. So I want to check what is ready for harvest. What is ready for harvest. And not only for harvest, and what need my attention again. So on this side here, guys, you can see the corns are ready for harvesting. So any day from now, yeah, we shall be harvesting the corns. You can see they are dry. They are already dry, guys. And what I can say is that we need to harvest them. I need to harvest them and see what next. It's harvesting season. It's harvesting season. We go with seasons here in Africa. So since this is harvesting season, we have to harvest them, because planting season, it's going to come back soon. Yeah. So they are now very dry, ready for harvesting. Yeah. Even now you can hear the sound. It's windy guys. It's windy. So with the corns now, they are ready for harvest. And so guys, with the corns, they are ready for harvest. It's now to plan when shall we harvest the corns. So I think I have to show you something small here, and this is how life is here in Africa, especially on the farm. So as we are going to harvest, I'll start planning what should I plant next season. So the reason why I'm planning right now, some of these things, they need you to prepare them early enough. And something like, let's talk of onions. When you want to plant onions, the round onions, you don't just walk up and you start planting it. You have to put them in a seed bed for some months. Actually, they go for some months. So if they go for some months, and it's now that you want to plant them immediately, so that's why I'm saying that you have to plan it earlier. So what I'm trying to do is to plan for the next season very early. So after harvesting the corns and the other land, in my last video I showed you I was doing land clearing, so that I will plan my things early. So guys, on this side here, this Napier grass. We have the Napier grass, the downer part. I planted it here to reduce the rate of soil erosion. Soil is, the land here, it's not well organized. It's slanty. So water runs to the downer part on a very high rate. So the reason why the Napier grass is on the far end here, it's to reduce the soil erosion. Yeah, soil should not be carried out easily to the riverside. So as you can see, this part here, it's affected with soil erosion, guys. You can check. Soil is usually carried to the downer part. Now, but since I planted the Napier grass, I think it will reduce the rate of soil erosion to this end, guys. So have a look. And in the far end, 2 to 3 days ago, I had people were working at the bee house, and I have to go and check how things are. So I think the bee house should start working, guys. The bee house now should start working, and we have to see the way forward. And today someone bring in an idea. It's not good to start a project, invest, then you stop on your way, guys. So that's why I'm going to check on the bee house so that I can start the necessary. Probably tomorrow I shall start bringing the beehives to the bee house. Bee house, it's an apiary. Yeah. Oh guys, this is shocking. I was just moving around and I noticed that fire was just around this place, and I don't know what this was for, unless something is wrong somewhere. Oh guys, what is this? Surely something is wrong. Something is wrong somewhere, guys. I don't understand this. And I was here some days ago and I didn't notice this. It's like someone just came in to the bee house and they lit fire. This is very abnormal. This is strange. Oh, so someone came in, they lit fire, and they were burning maize. Okay. Guys, this is wrong. This is wrong. 100% wrong. And guys, we have to check on this. Is it for today? Oh, so someone came in, they just lit fire in this house and they start burning maize. And maybe dogo ni aje? Nani aliwasha hii moto? Nani aliwasha hii moto? Oh, kwenu ni wapi? Hamjui mwenye aliwasha? Oh. Sawa, niendeni. So that is it, guys. I was just consulting about this. So I never knew this could happen in this area, and that tells me a lot. That tells me a lot, and this tells me a lot, and that shows me that this house should start working immediately, with the immediate effect. So I was planning to finish with the floor, then to start building I shall next build the drawers shelf for holding the beehives. Then the hives will relocate immediately. But I didn't expect this. Completely, this is wrong. So, and it's very bad. It's unfortunately that it's my maize. They were roasting my maize. They went into my farm, then they start taking maize without my consent, without consulting me, and they just come and start burning. They roasted my maize and they ate, and I was not available. It's not that I was not available. It's like it was done at night. It's like it was done at night, and since I've noticed it, and I have to work on it, I have to deal with this, with the immediate effect. The reason why they did this, I planted my corns late. I did it late. Because I wasn't stable financially, so I came late, and you can see around it's only my maize that are still fresh on the farm. So others have harvested their corns. So for me, people are just coming in, they just start harvesting and roasting my corns without my consent. It's very bad. I've really felt it. And for those who did it, it's wrong, guys. It's wrong. It's like they are attacking my farm. See? Guys, they were harvesting with no mercy. And this is like stealing. just coming to someone's farm, you start taking the corns, you go, you roast and eat, and you go scot-free. You think it's good. Sometimes you don't have to complain such, but it's a bad behavior. How should someone come into the farm? And especially like me, not especially me, what I used here, I used to pay people to come and help me while doing these projects. I didn't do it personally. I was paying people to come and help me, sometimes borrowing money to pay people working in the shamba, and I've not harvested the corn. I don't know the profit that I would get. And someone just came, and I think they are dried. They are dried. I don't expect someone to start roasting such corns. You can see they are dry. So if someone comes and start roasting such corns, guys, is it normal? You can see the way they are dried. They are dried, guys. And someone comes in and they start roasting. This is very bad. But all in all, it's God's plan. God is the one who gives us and is the one who takes. So if they saw that that is the best way, what I can say, let them keep up. Let them keep up. Let them continue with the same spirit. God is the provider. God is the provider. And when you are always honest, and transparent, God will just bless you. And like right now, for example, those people who did that for me, and I'm here complaining, I am sure God will do it on my side and on their side. I can honestly say this. I've never harvested anything in this farm for mine. No, I never did that. I just did it once, the day one that masons were working on the perimeter fence. The day that they dug the foundation, I just called my mom. Then I told her, you can go and harvest some piece of corn so that you can boil for them so that they can take breakfast. Yeah, and for the masons, not even for my family or in my room. I never took the corns in my room. I've never enjoyed the corns, and it's my farm. I've never done that, but it's my farm. But others are enjoying them, and you saw it. I didn't even expect that, and that is the reason why I always go around the farm regularly. And I can say that's yesterday's evening, because tomorrow, sorry, yesterday in the morning I was around, and I'm going to show you what I did yesterday morning. And I was here until afternoon, lunch hours. I ate lunch at mom's place before going to my room, and we went with one of the masons to the bee house. We were discussing, and we planned how to deal with that. Without how to complete the bee house, because we wanted to relocate the bees. So that is it. But it has really hurted me. But unfortunately, they've done it. And this is one of the advantages. Like, I cutted this part here, the upper part of the corns. I wish if it could be that way, all round. They couldn't have stolen my maize. So this is it. But on this part here, this is the cow dung. They have started decomposing. This is how we do. I told you the last time that agriculture, it's a chain. I benefit from the plants and animals. This is the cow dung, and the animals also depend on plants from the farm, and the farm depends from animals. This is what the animals provide for the plants. So like here, I'm planning this area here, the way you can see it. We have a furrow like. The furrows, it's to reduce the speed of water running from the upper part So like this one, you can see this to reduce such cases. When it rains, the speed of water going to the downer part, riverside, it's very high, but with the furrows it's reduced. Sorry, it's very windy. It's windy, guys. It is windy. So that is it. The furrows, they reduce the rate of the speed of water to reduce soil erosion. And this is a good example. On this side here, I planted Napier grass. This is a furrow with Napier grass. You can see this is how we plant Napier grass, yeah? Napier grass. To reduce, now this land, it's not bare. You can see cow dung and Napier grass. So that is it. So instead of leaving this area freely without doing anything on it, we have the Napier grass. Now when I will be harvesting the Napier grass, I will be feeding the animals, goats, and as I said before, I have a machine that cuts it's a chopper grinder. It grinds such crops to powder form. It's easy. So the Napier grass will be feeding my goats, cows, chickens. Yeah, chickens, they feed on it. As I was grinding, I saw the way they were enjoying. They were enjoying it, so it will be benefit for them. And also the rabbits. Rabbits, they also take them that way. So that was the corns and the Napier grass. So we are in another project. This is the tomato farm, and we were weeding yesterday. And right now you can see we are trying to split the compost manure everywhere, guys. So we are just using the manure very well. To decompose in this area, we just put them all over the farm, and it's very good. They are doing well. You can see the tomatoes. They have flowering, and they have started putting their fruits. And rabbits waste, it's also here. This is from the rabbits. It's also a good manure. Yeah. So the tomatoes are just doing well, and the problem is the weather right now. It's dry season. It's very hot, and it's a very big challenge to the tomatoes, guys. Yeah, but it's just for some times. It's good. The weather of Africa, it's just for some times. So after harvesting the corns, I think I will now have enough land, the whole of that land. And since I've seen this place, it's not secure for the farming. It will be safe for farming. So that is it, guys. Let's see on this part here. Yeah, on this side here I have some pieces of other crops. These are spinach. The spinach, guys. But you see the spinach are closer to this seed bed. This seed bed here, I planted the spinach seed. This seed bed is for spinach. I just did it yesterday, but I was not able to take a video because I always take my videos using my phone. I don't use GoPro, and I don't have stand. I use my hands as stand. So I was not able to take a video as I was doing this, but it's very interesting and it's a nice content. But one day when I'll have a stand, I will show people how this is done. So I planted here some spinach, and we have another seed bed in that side. This is Monica scales. Sukuma wiki for Monica. Monica and mom, they are planting this. And yeah, you can see they have grown. They have really grown, guys. And what I always do is to add manure on them so that the soil can be fertile. And it will reach a time whereby I will not be using the fertilizers from shops, from industries, since I've started collecting a lot of manure from the animals. So it's still farming. it's one project depending on another. So on this side here, guys, we have another. It's windy, sorry. On this side here we have another seedbed, but this is tomato seedbed. This is tomato seedbed, guys. This is tomato seedbed. But when I will have money, I think I'll start irrigation from that point, so that I can be irrigating for my farm, because it need water. It need water. The type of soil in this area, it doesn't hold water for a long time. It's like seasonal. So yeah, and this part here, as you can see, it has not been planted anything. Monique and Mom, they planted kids to this point. Yeah, but from here nothing is planted. So this is where I will plant my spinach and cabbage. I also have cabbage seedbed in the upper side, closer to my compound. Yeah, the black house, it's Priska Sagati's house. So kindly, if you've never subscribed to her channel, kindly, she's a good person, very kind. Go and check her, Priska Sagati. Subscribe to her channel, very supportive. So guys, yeah, I'm moving around these sweet potatoes. So I think we can cut some leaves for the rabbits. Yeah, this is very important. This is for rabbits. So guys, as I'm moving around, I've noticed this. You can see the soil has cracked. This means the sweet potatoes inside, they have grown. When they grow bigger, the land cracks, the soil cracks. You can see the land has cracks now, which means we have sweet potatoes, and that's a clear indication that the sweet potatoes, they did well. So we shall harvest very big sweet potatoes, yeah, in terms of size, and that's good. And what I can say is that God did it. God have made it for me again. Yeah, almost every hip, you can see they have cracked. So guys, let's go. And as I'm walking, I'm also trying to feed my animals. Yeah, so let's go. So direct from the sweet potatoes, we have to go through this end, and I always take a long time before coming to this end, this far end, and I don't know the reason why, but I don't like that. Is natural, and this is the fertile part, because I don't like dealing with the fertile place, because that part there needs much attention, so that's why it takes me long. Yeah, so here we planted some napier grass some days ago, some months. This is almost 1 month, and you can see the difference. As I was planting this napier grass, I always used to tell you people that I'll bring a big cow that will need a lot of food, and here it is. I'm trying to minimize this land, and it's not my land, it's just someone's land who gave me. But this part here, it's the cassavas. You can see the progress of the cassavas, guys. They have grown. Cassavas have grown, and the disadvantages of the cassavas, they take a long time for them to mature. Over 1 year, more than 1 year, yeah. So that's why I didn't plant them in large quantity. It's just some pieces, just some piece of land I took and did that. So guys, that is it. Here it's the napier grass. Yeah, very healthy. That means that this land itself, it's very fertile, yeah, not healthy. The land is fertile. It's like I'm just moving around, and I'm almost to where I started, guys. So we can just move in and see, and you can bring what's in your mind in the comment section. Yeah, so that is it, guys. And for those who are still here watching this video, I really appreciate you. Thank you for being there for me and for supporting. And sometimes when you are a farmer, it's good for you to move around and check everything. Here are the other sweet potatoes. These ones here are for sale, for I planted them purposely for selling so that I can improve the project in the new farm. And I think when I harvest, I'll think of building. Yeah, you can see we have a difference between this. Observe their leaves keenly and this. It's a very big difference. And this here we believe they are good for consumption, and those ones for exportation. So farmers will always enjoy the best. We enjoy the best and sell the least. So guys, let's move to this side here. And as I'm moving here, I want to check on a hive here. I placed here a beehive. I want to check if we have bees inside this hive. It's windy guys. So this video was interrupted with wind. And yeah, have a hive in that end. Yes guys, and these nuts here, they are almost ready for harvest. So on the other side we have some seed beds, and that's what I want to go and check. That is what I want to go and see how they are. And so, oh guys, in the comment section, tell me the name of this plant. It's a vegetable here in Kenya. Here we are. This is the back door. This is the back door. The back gate. The back gate. This is the fix there. And we are remaining with the rental. And this one here, it's for the feeds for the cow. This is what we grind. Yeah. We grind them to small pieces. This is not a waste. It's not completely a waste for me. So guys, and we have some seed beds here. We have 3 seed beds here with different types of plants. So on the downer part here, I planted kales. I don't know how do you call kales, and they start shooting out. This part here it's kale, and another here I planted kale, not kales, cabbage. They have not shooted, but in the upper part I planted coriander. So this is how coriander starts. These are corianders, and here I planted what did we plant here? Cabbage. This is for cabbage, and it's a hybrid cabbage with mulches. This is a hybrid cabbage seedbed. Hybrid cabbage seedbed, and here it's carrots. The seedbed, we have a difference between this and this. So this part here it's seedbed, and at the wall there I made a kitchen garden. Those are vegetables. I don't know how you call them, guys. Direct from there you can just go in and see the new look of the compound, guys. Yes, now you can see the animals are safe. The birds, they don't go out. They are just relaxed inside. Yeah. So guys, you can go directly and feed the rabbits. We have goose. The Chinese goose have grown. These ones here, they still have food, so you can go and feed the other ones. You can see the young ones, they have grown. Yeah. Yes, guys, I think these ones, you can see these ones. We've separated them with the reason, yeah? This is how we feed them. Hii ukulima ni mdogo mdogo tu, haitaki haraka. Mos. Yeah. Ukulima mdogo mdogo tu. Yeah. This is Saso F1, yeah? Saso F1. It's a very good breed. Samora, ukiona hiyo, hawa ni vifaranga uliniuzia ile enzi. Some months. So guys, that is it. And for those who have been with me here watching this video, thank you for being there for me to this time. May God bless you, and these vlogs end here. May God bless you. Thank you so much.